So if you are currently pursuing an MBA and thinking of joining Kraftshala, don't worry. I'll share my experience after I have completed my MBA and in the whole course of the video. So my name is Soham Ghosh. I am from Darjeeling, West Bengal. I have done my graduation from Chennai, Satyabhai University in Civil Engineering. And then I went on to pursue my MBA in Marketing from NHS Knowledge Campus. After that, I started working for a few companies in sales and HR domain, but I found my true calling in digital marketing during the pandemic period. But I was not getting enough opportunities during that time, so I thought of doing a course. And after doing a lot of research regarding IIDE Kraftshala, I chose Kraftshala to start my journey. So currently, I'm working as a SEO Content Writer in Bamboo Digital. It's a Mumbai-based company. So yeah, writing content pieces, website structure for different brands, for our own brands, plus via third party also. It's quite hectic as of now because we did have to work overtime sometimes, but it's worth it completely. While I was doing my MBA, obviously the pandemic happened, but still I enjoyed my MBA process very much. We learned a lot regarding marketing. Since my minor was finance, I did learn a lot of regarding finance also. Basically, you'll just keep on learning case studies, how to present yourself, communication. Up to a certain point of expectations were reached while I was pursuing my MBA, but the pandemic was out of anyone's hands, so I'm not gonna blame that on anyone. First of all, since the pandemic happened, no one knew how to use the online apparatus, so it was quite difficult for the first time. But the one semi which I did offline, it was very fun, energetic, doing case studies with my friends, buddies, having chit chats with it was interesting. But the 3 semester, obviously, it was online due to the lockdown. Apart from the education part, everything was done good. But yeah, the placement did get hampered by that, but still I didn't lose hope. I still got placed from my college. I got placed in a sales company which is based out of Noida. I did 7 to 8 months in sales. Then I understood this sales, it's not my calling, understood it very clearly. And during the lockdown, I had done some digital marketing courses which made me a lot interested in digital marketing as a whole thing. So I did talk to my counselors regarding are there digital marketing companies coming for placements, which they said no, we don't have any. Then I started working for the HR domain. So after I left my HR company which I was working for, I decided it's high time I should pursue it right now. Otherwise I'll regret it for the rest part of my life. So I just gave it a chance and I joined Kraftshala. Comedic thing is when I left my job in the sales company which I had got placed in, I had applied for a job role in Kraftshala. So I knew basically what Kraftshala was doing. At that time, I don't know, my brain was completely blank that I should have joined at that particular point of time only. But when I decided to join digital marketing course, I had talked with my family and my sister who is working abroad. She said, it's high time you go for it. If you love doing digital marketing, go for it. Don't let it stop you. Then the main competitors which I was thinking of joining were I think IIDE, My Captain and Kraftshala. And the reason I joined Kraftshala, majorly I would say the curriculum, I liked it very much. How are they covering the things? They are putting a lot of emphasis on communication also, as per the technical education also. That's why. There was a crazy schedule in my life in that point of time because I didn't know what I wanted to do because I am about to is a 30 age. So obviously I have to do something as of now. So yeah, a little bit confusion was there, but I knew I had a love for digital marketing. I know it's my passion. I want to learn about it. So I thought it's high time to join right now. The expectations, obviously, since it's a 3-month program, cannot teach us every aspect of digital marketing, just to give us this simple basic knowledge so we can start our career. Then a little bit of help in the placement part also because you have a lot of connections in that regard. Those were the main aspects. This certification process which I did during my MBA days were almost basic things. Basically, they're telling a definition, the different types of digital marketing processes like SEO, paid ads. Those were the max things for just the certification. If you are joining Kraftshala, you'll be learning a lot of things. Obviously, you'll have to choose which one you want to pursue, whether for content, social media, this kind of things. So you will get into a lot of in-depth details also in Kraftshala. My experience was very much fun because seeing a lot of new people, although it was online, learning everything together, the whole batch of around 200 people, then getting divided into different streams. So learned a lot of concepts. Then although there were few people in SEO, but still we enjoyed a lot. We connected like a family, helped each other. So it was very much fun. I did have time management skills before joining Kraftshala, but I think Kraftshala sharpened my time management skills because they have so many assignments. You have to manage time on that aspect. Then communication, I had good communication, but I got a hard calling in Kraftshala ki you have to be much better because you are competing against 200 students for a job. So you have to be better. Then I would say hardworking because you have to hard work like anything, because if you don't have a concept, you have to keep on asking them, because if you don't, and if they'll ask you later, it will be quite hassle for you. These are the main things which you learn from Kraftshala program. I would say I see a lot of difference. Communication wise, I would say, then personality wise, I was an introvert during my childhood days. Kraftshala helped me to open up to people, talk about situations, help people in certain situations. A lot of things Kraftshala helped beside the technical part. If you have any little bit of interest in digital marketing and you want to pursue it, so I think Kraftshala should be your first choice without any question, because they will help you nurture all your skills. They'll help you in every regard, but Kraftshala won't do the entire thing for you. You have to give your best. You have to give your entire best, and Kraftshala will help you.